JP Morgan Automated Investing App. The pros, the cons. JP Morgan's automated investing app brings professional portfolio management to your fingertips. But is it the right choice for you? Starting with the pros. First, robo-advisory convenience. The app automatically builds and rebalances portfolios based on your risk profile and financial goals, saving you time and effort. Second, access to JP Morgan expertise. Users benefit from investment strategies developed by one of the world's largest financial institutions. Third, diversified portfolios. The app offers a range of ITs and funds to create well-balanced portfolios tailored to your objectives. Now, the cons. One limitation is minimum investment requirements, which may be higher than some other robo-advisors, potentially excluding smaller investors. Another drawback is fees. While automated, there are management fees, which can add up over time, particularly for those with smaller balances. The surprising truth: most investors struggle with emotional decision-making. Automation through JP Morgan's app removes emotion, which can improve long-term outcomes by enforcing disciplined investing. In conclusion, the pros: professional expertise, automated portfolio management, and diversification make JP Morgan's app a strong option for goal-oriented investors seeking a hands-off approach. The cons: minimum investment thresholds and fees suggest casual or small-scale investors should compare options. Overall, it's a reliable choice for disciplined, automated investing backed by institutional experience.